How to stay visible and make money with AI SEO in 2026. You've been hearing people talk about AI SEO and you're wondering what's the fuse? What's everyone talking about? Watch this video to the end. Here's a simplified definition of AI SEO. You want to buy something in a particular location, probably you want to buy a gift item in Washington. You go to Google, you put in gift items in this particular area. Google bring out different businesses that are doing that. Then you need to make your own research. But right now, people are making smarter decisions. They go to ChatGPT, they ask what's the best brand in this particular location. ChatGPT goes scrap all through the internet and bring out trusted brands all over the internet and recommend those brands to the users. Then they pick and they buy directly from ChatGPT or Perplexity or whatever AI model they are using to search. That's the simplified definition of AI SEO. What's the technical definition? Is getting recommended, cited, and referenced by AI models. Now you're wondering, as a brand, how do you stay visible in AI search? How do you make money? One, don't just focus on keywords. Focus on tropical depth. Here's a simplified definition of that. The era of keyword stuffing, just looking for random keywords, not making your keyword research, just writing blog posts and just dropping it, that era has come to an end. You're just focusing on keywords alone, just write a blog, put it out there. That era has come to an end. Right now, you need to focus on tropical depth, whereby if you are selling running shoes, you write a particular topic on 10 top running shoes in this particular location or 10 top running shoes. Then you bring up different topics that are also related to that topic. Running shoes for soccer team, running shoes for this particular theme. Just look for something. Just make sure that you create one tropical topic, then you now build a tropical depth around that topic. You emphasize more on that topic by diversifying and bringing up different topics that relates to that niche. What does that signal? That signals authority. Yes, that signals authority. They see your brand as an authority. Number two, answer questions in a short, simplified, and concise way. Write like you're answering a question straight away. Don't put your answer in the middle of your blog. Nobody is ready to read 5,000 words of blog. Now, people are still reading, but right now, the attention span is short. Yes, it's very short because they can actually just ask ChatGPT or maybe any other AI model to summarize this for them or just make the research for them, and they just come up with something. They give them the answers, and why do they need to read 5,000, 6,000 words? So right now, when you're writing a blog, put the answer at the very first paragraph of the blog and make sure that it is very simplified. Just write like you're answering questions. That's also AEO, answer engine optimization. Do all of this in your blogs and you realize that you're getting cited by these models. I tried it for a particular brand at some point, me and my partner, and this brand started getting recommended by ChatGPT. They even made sales. Like one of their biggest sales came from ChatGPT. So this works, right? Another thing again is your reviews. Yeah, make sure you build reviews across different platforms. You are satisfying customers, you're running your goods, your products, your services, and you do not have a review system. Please stop that in 2026. Make sure you build a review system so they can drop good reviews for them, and make sure you reply to these reviews as well. Another one is, that's the fourth one or the third one, I'm not counting. Make sure you identify as a brand. Yes, make sure you identify as a brand. Build across social platforms. Put yourself out there, make videos, let them trust you, let them see you as a brand. Don't just upload AI pictures, graphics. You're not putting yourself out there. Another thing again is, on one social media platform you are a gifting expert, on another social media platform you're a mechanical engineer. Make it make sense. So you need to make sure that you are consistent across different platforms and you're showing up daily, you're putting yourself out there. You build a brand, you position yourself as a brand so they can see you as a brand that they can trust. There are really a lot of tips that you can use to get optimized for AI SEO, but I don't want to make this video too long. Give SEO Sisters a follow. By a community and not just a brand that prioritize visibility, revenue, and growth for different businesses. For more tips, follow us, the SEO Sisters. We'll be dropping hot tips to stay visible. Bye.